Hey y'all, cushion grip tips and tricks. So this video is going to be strictly about your bottom dentures. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I struggle a lot with my bottoms due to a lot of gum loss. And truth be told, I silently use cushion grip on my bottoms for comfort. It adds to my denture, that way it's not so straining on my bottom gum. And then I can add a little bit of glue on top of my cushion grip to make them stay. And your girl, she got a belly, so you know she eating. Okay, no more talking about it, be about it. Get your handy dandy key and roll it up. Now for your bottom, you're going to want to just get like a dime size. Roll it up into a worm. Carve it out on that bottom denture, and let me show you a trick. My secret with my bottoms. This is a silicone makeup brush. I got it at the Dollar Tree, and that's what I've used to push down in these crevices. So, yeah, there's your little trick from Killer Joe. You just spread it out, and I actually like more on one side than the other. Then you're going to take it and grunt as hard as you can. Y'all, when I tell you that feels so good, the comfort that it gives me, like, I just can't explain it. Now we wait. We're going to let it sit up. Anyway, so we'll be back in an hour. For you to be just a second, but I want to show you the trimming process. Do not take it out. Let it sit up. Okay?
So, hey, listen, I just wanted to remind you there's a tingling sensation, so don't freak out, okay?
Guess what? It's done. I'm so glad, because I'm so hungry. But anyways, look, check it. Okay, let's talk about it. So, as you can see, I've got a lot of excess. But I personally like all this excess, so I will leave it alone. But this excess up here in the front, you just take you some little snips, scissors, cuticle nippers, whatever. This is eyelash trimmers if you need to know. And you just cut it off. And that, my friend, is it. You can put some glue in here and pop them in. I got a pretty good section. But even if you do use glue on top of it, you're going to clean it the exact same. And for me, I wear my glue all day and kind of let it wear out. I don't just tug it off at night or whatever. By the time it gets nighttime, for me, it's ready to come out. If that makes sense. Anyways, there you go. Tips and tricks. Love y'all.